Sounds kinda like a plan.
Are you serious? Amber Rain made a song for me?
Cherokee born named Big Heart, native as a sunset skyline scar. Grew up with an independent soul, never letting go. Blue collar woman down deep in my bone. Rolled from hell to the place I call home. Now I'm at peace and I'm finally free, and I'm thankful for the blessings received. So I just wanna smile, yeah. Sit around the bonfire, yeah. Hang out with friends and fam, not giving a damn, yeah. Sounds kinda like a plan. My butt for payday, I'm damn proud. If the haters could all see me now.